How to manage themes in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage themes. Themes are an easy way to change the look and feel of your Drupal site. Click the Administer link. Scroll down. Click the Themes link here. Scroll down. Click here to enable a new theme. Then click here to make this new theme the default theme. Scroll down. When finished, click Save Configuration. That's it! As you can see by the look of the website, our theme has changed. Let's change our default theme back to the way it was. That's all there is to it. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage themes in Drupal.